Let's talk about our half-face industrial respirators, showcasing our T60 half-face respirator. The T60 half-face respirator is fantastic for industrial settings or commercials or spray painting or automotive. Basically, if you work in a commercial setting, you should use our T60 half-face respirator. It features our proprietary threaded filter design. It is fantastic, it's great. It's just basically amazing. And it's just super easy to take on and take off. Look at that.
Oh, would you look at that?
That's phenomenal, just phenomenal. It features a easy soft silicone nasal cup here. Still pretty good. It's a little bit wider there, great for people with a little bit larger faces. It also features this 4-point harness here, as well as the little neck strap, so that you can get a nice tight and adjustable fit. When you put the respirator on, you definitely don't want to tie it too tight. It also features a voice diaphragm inside here, so that when you're talking, everybody can hear you very, very well. The T60 is great for spray painting, automotive, agriculture, anything that deal with low-level irritants that have long-term impact. You're gonna wanna go with the T60 and you won't have to upgrade your filters because we bundle filters with every one of our half-face respirators. Introducing our best-selling half-face respirator, the T61. We sell a lot of these to automotive manufacturers as well as auto body shops. They like them because they do come with industry standard bayonet. If you're in a pinch, you can go to your local department store just to get a replacement filter set, since this is industry standard bayonet style filters. That way you can actually switch them out. If you're dealing with very heavy and thick chemicals, you might need a little bit higher filter. If not, you can go to Home Depot or Lowe's and get a filter that fits straight onto this respirator. Similar to the T60, it features a silicone nasal cup for a great seal, very comfortable, cool and comfortable, 4-point harness, and a voice amplifier so that you can communicate with other people, as well as an exhaust valve to keep it cool and comfortable for long-term use. You're gonna see a lot of these guys using this in the commercial and industrial setting. A lot of our home improvement and do-yourselfers like to trend towards the T60. Either one can be used for either setting. We just typically see a lot more commercial use out of the T61 over the T60. Our modular, low-profile design respirator. This guy is a fantastic one if you're not wanting something big and bulky. It's called the T90 half-face respirator. It comes with our PA2 proprietary filter, which is a super easy snap-on, snap-off design. And this thing is just amazing. I mean, it's just so easy to take on and take off. That's what's so cool about it. It does come stock with an organic vapor and particulate dual-purpose filter, just like our T60, T61, PD100, PD101. Right out of the box, you're gonna be able to filter out a lot of stuff like spray paint. You're gonna be able to filter out sanding dust, woodworking dust, concrete dust, you name it. This thing's gonna filter it out. Now, if you're going up to a high level, you're gonna need to upgrade this filter. For the most part, it's gonna be a great right out of the box respirator for you, and it does not impede your vision at all. Another cool thing is that it does have this feature here that basically allows you to open and close the valve here for seal test check. That's another really cool feature of this little guy. It does big things in a small package. It's fantastic for whatever you need. Let's introduce the AG100, standing for Agriculture 100. Great for like hay fever or any dust. It comes with a 95% particulate filter. I mean, this guy is heavy duty though. I mean, that thing looks like that should go in your air filter in your house. Catch a lot of stuff, and it's going to help protect your lungs and prolong your life. You know what I'm saying?
I have absolutely no idea what's going on.
Very similar to our T90. Which ones do you guys like better? Things are amazing. They're both low profile. Which one would you prefer? If you're ready to buy your next half-face respirator, go ahead to Amazon or to our website and buy now at parcilsafety.com. So that's our half-face respirator line. If you have any question at all, feel free to reach out to us. If you love what you see, you love the tips that we're giving you here, go ahead and follow us here at Parcil Safety.